Hey there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add to cart on StockX. It's pretty simple. First, you have to choose a product that you want to purchase. You can purchase it now or later. If you want to purchase this product later, then you can simply go with buy or place bid option, but click on buy now, then it will add it to your cart and then you can purchase this product anytime, and the cart will help you to find this product. Now here is some best prices, and here is some details that you have to complete, like you can make an offer by placing a bid, and also here is the shipping cost. You can see you can add a discount coupon. Then most important thing is you have to add a payment method. Then after adding a payment method, you will find total price here from here. Then here you have to enter a shipping address. When you complete the shipping address, like your first name, last name, your country, your address, city, your state, postal code and phone number, then click on save shipping and it will save your information on StockX. Then you can use this address for your shipping. Then after completing this, you can add a payment method. Then you can simply incomplete the purchase process. You don't need to purchase it or buy it. Simply go back and it will already add it to your cart. It will automatically add it to your cart. That's how you can add to cart on StockX. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.